Distance is just a taste of how far love can travel because I am missing someone that's so special in my life. That's thanks for giving me the best time of my life. I will only remember our good times together and will try to live happily. I pray for your happiness too. This is what it feels like to have a broken heart. It felt less like a cracking down the middle and more like she had swallowed it whole and it sat brushed and bleeding in the pit of her stomach. You broke my heart into a million pieces. As I gather the broken remains of yesterday, I discover that breathing itself has become painful. A million words would not bring you back, I know, because I tried. Neither would a million tears, I know, because I have carried. You are never so defenseless against suffering as when you love, never so helplessly unhappy as when you have lost your loved object or its love. Saying his name stabbed my heart like someone had ripped through my carefully stitched up world and exposed the infected, pulsing red tissues that I thought was lying. Love is like an ice cube. The harder you hold on to it, the faster it will disappear. All you will have in your hand will be tears of crushed love. This hurts so much when it's clear that you do not feel the same way for me. The problem is that as much as I can not force you to love me, I can not force myself to stop loving you. I am sitting here trying to write a song about how much I miss you, and I cannot think of enough words to describe all the feelings I have bottled up inside of me. You are the love of my life, and I really wish you were here with me right now. I love you. My love for you is endless, and I wish I could just tell you how much I miss you right now. I cannot wait for you to come home so I can just hold you in my arms again and never let go. I love you with all my heart. You know I love you, and you also know that I will never get tired of telling you over and over again. I miss you today, and I will miss you tomorrow as well. You are the one for me, and I love you. I love talking up beside you in the morning, and I also love going to sleep with you my arms as well. I wish you were here with me right now, because your presence is something that I truly miss. Before you came into my life, I was living a meaningless existence. I did not really know what true love was until you suddenly came into my life like a whirlwind. I really miss you today, and I cannot wait for you to come home so we can be together once again. There is no one in this world that could ever take your place in my heart. You own my heart completely, and I love you dearly for that. I cannot wait for you to come home so I can tell you how much I miss you. It's been a really hard day today, and I love you. I cannot wait for you to come home.